In my video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware called WebEnumerator. WebEnumerator is the new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. WebEnumerator adware, once installed, may display its very annoying advertisements randomly on the screen. WebEnumerator adware actually acts in a very aggressive manner. It shows its multiple and very annoying advertisements on top of other content. So it actually prevents you from reading or viewing the content that you like. Instead, it shows its own ads on top of that content. So if you are not happy with all these changes in your browser, you need to remove this WebEnumerator adware as soon as possible. To remove it, you need to go to your Finder on your Mac, check your applications, and when you find this WebEnumerator, right-click on it and move it to the trash. To be convinced that your system is free of any other threats, consider researching your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. The software is available for all popular operating systems. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.